Hi guys, welcome again to my channel here at Yamanaki Cove. Yes, this is so wonderful, you know, a nice place here in Japan, but it's so far. But when you get here, talagang mawawala ang pagod mo sa super ganda. It's so beautiful. Yamanaki ko. Yes. And this is my friend Mila.
Hello.
She is one of the artists here in Japan.
Wow.
So please subscribe all my channel. Yes, this is one of the park here in Japan. Did you see that, guys? It's so beautiful. Ah, only in Japan. Here. Beautiful park here. I hope you like here, guys. Look, look, look. Mm. Japanese is so smart, right? Super smart to do this kind of thing here. Oh, you see that, guys? Uh-huh. Yamanaki ko. Ang ganda-ganda, diba? Idol friend! Yan, here is my idol friend. Yeah, she's one of the tourist spots here. Ah, so beautiful, right, guys? We love this. Beautiful nature. Oh my God. And that is Ira Gomez, one of the richest here in Japan. Mm-mm. Oh, nagpa-picture pa ako, guys, diba?